Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of March, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -8.5. Let's take a look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. The ETF experienced a loss of -44.48%. This translates to an average daily loss of -5.56% since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken a very wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, but there may be instances of false breaks and sell-offs. Nevertheless, a further decline is likely, and any rebounds to the breaking point of $12.15 are viewed as a second opportunity to exit. According to the fan theory, 83 cents could represent the new bottom line of the next trend. Although it is too early to confirm this, the current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -41.26% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -37.46% to +20.79%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -39.08%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -64.71% and +148.73% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $4.03 and $28.38. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Significant Movements in SOXL ETF Price on Thursday, fluctuating 23.86% between high and low. The SOXL ETF price decreased by 29.83% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, dropping from $16.26 to $11.41. During that trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 23.86%, ranging from a low of $11.40 to a high of $14.12. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, representing a decrease of 42.75% over this period. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day by 174 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 296 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.38 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $11.40. Currently, the price stands 83.72%, or $58.67, below the 52-week high, and 96.98%, or $366.83, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange-Traded Fund, commonly referred to as SOXL, has experienced significant turmoil recently, dropping 62% from its peak in 2024, and is now trading at $26.30. This decline is primarily attributed to a cooling off of the artificial intelligence bubble, which had previously driven high valuations in the semiconductor sector. Among the major concerns is the increasing competition in the graphics processing unit market. Giants like Google and Amazon are introducing custom GPUs that pose a threat to NVIDIA's market share, resulting in margin compression across the industry. This competitive landscape, combined with SOXL's poor tracking of benchmark indices, raises questions about its efficiency and long-term viability. In the short term, these factors could lead to further declines in SOXL's stock price as investor sentiment shifts. However, some analysts suggest that the current market downturn may present a buying opportunity, particularly since semiconductors are essential for economic growth. Yet, for aggressive short-term traders, SOXL's volatility presents both risks and potential rewards. In the long run, if the semiconductor sector can innovate and adapt amidst rising competition, there may be opportunities for recovery, but the outlook remains uncertain given the current dynamics. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the fund. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. During potential upward corrections, there may be resistance at the levels of $16.02 and $21.44. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, and so far, it has decreased by 45.67%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on declining prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 74 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 166 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, this exchange-traded fund may perform poorly in the coming days. This ETF exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.72 between its high and low, which is a change of 23.86%. In the last week, the daily average volatility of this ETF has been 13.34%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the exchange-traded fund could move upward swiftly if the conditions are favorable. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume to help determine the right moment to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below. This indicates that the exchange-traded fund could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such scenarios. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL shows several negative signals and is currently in a broad declining trend, leading us to believe that its performance will likely remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to certain minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this ETF from a sell to a strong sell since our last review. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of April, we anticipate that SOXL will open higher by 90 cents, beginning trading at $12.31. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to assume full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.